priced home just got a win. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have announced that they are raising their conventional loan limits 12% for 2023 to a maximum of $726,200. Home prices have risen, and this move will allow more flexibility and possibly lower rates for financing of higher priced homes. It's Friday, December 16th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. New listings to the market are down 22.8% from last year this time and since October 2022. But Annapolis home prices have risen 2.3% to a median of $532,000. Days on the market dropped, so those homes on the market may not stay there long. Right now, there are only 128 homes for sale. 8 new listings hit the market over the past week. 14 homes are coming on the market. 14 went under contract. 7 moved to pending. 12 sold in 14 days at 99% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home was a tear down in Annapolis on Harness Creek for $5,300,000. Rental inventory rose slightly again this week to 43 homes for lease, rising to an average of $3,044 per month, and days on the market trending downwards by 28 days. Got questions? Let me help. I can provide you with the facts, data, and information to help bring context to it for your situation. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 16th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.